What is up? Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video we are going to look at the urllib model. So the urllib model is a powerful component of Python's standard library for working with URLs, web resources. As a built-in model, it requires no additional installation. This allows developers to fetch data from websites and make API requests and also parse URLs programmatically, essential for web automation, data collection, and application integration. So here are some key components of and features. The urllib.request opens URLs, handles authentication, and redirects core functionality for fetching web resources. urllib.parse passes URLs into components and manages query parameters, and then urllib.error actually provides exception classes for HTTP, network, and authentication errors. urllib supports all standard HTTP methods for interacting with web services. It provides a foundation for web automation and data collection. Thank you for watching this video.